In this video, we are going to talk about the NoneType object, which is represented by none in Python. As we saw earlier, none is a reserved keyword and as such must not be used as a variable name. None represents our favorite data attribute in GIS, a null value. It is the absence of a value. It does not equate to zero. It is simply an unknown value. Let's pop over to PyScripter. We'll use the Python interpreter window to set a variable called null to equal none. And we can see that none is highlighted in green, indicating it is a reserved keyword. Hit enter. Now if we print null, we can see we get none. We can also use the built-in type function and add in our null variable and hit enter. And we can see it is a NoneType object. The NoneType object, none, is excellent for when you want to instantiate a variable that you are going to use at a later point in your script. For example, we might set county equal to none. We might perform several steps in our code and then at a later stage overwrite the county variable with another object such as a string, which we'll use here, but it could be any other object. It could be a list, dictionary, or a custom object type. We will also see in the functions section, when functions do not explicitly have a return value, none is returned by default. In this video, we had a quick look at the NoneType object represented by none in Python. Just remember that none is a null value. It is the absence of a value.